All right, the top 3 mistakes I see DIY landlords make, especially brand new ones. The first one's going to be pricing. Making sure that your home is priced where the market will bear you the most money in the shortest amount of time is absolutely imperative. And all too often I see landlords going off a magical number that they found somewhere, whether a neighbor told them that, they heard a house down the road rented for that, or they undermarket it way too cheap and it rents in a day for $600-700 cheaper than what they could be getting at fair market rent. The number 2 thing is going to be improper or downright illegal leases that are not compliant with North Carolina General Statute 42. Back in the day, lots of landlords used a product called LegalZoom. I think they're still around. Now it's ChatGPT and other AI sources. Just because it pumps it out and says that it's true doesn't make it true. So make sure that your lease is compliant and not breaking any laws. Late fees, other types of fees, amount of times to pay rent, things like that all matter. And if you find yourself in a bad position with the tenant, you want to be on the right side of that. And then the number 3 thing is being soft on background checks. Individual landlords may not have the resources or don't know where to go to find things like nationwide background checks, nationwide evictions check, criminal history pulls, checking past landlords. These are all extremely important in placing a tenant that's going to give you the best opportunity for a successful and easy tenancy. So if you're not doing these things, let's say if you don't have the ability to do these things, if you don't know where to go to find out, definitely do your research. There's places online like Resident Research and other background checks that you can use if you're going to continue to do it yourself, or if you use a professional property manager. We do all of that stuff for you. So those are the top 3 mistakes I see most often when I'm bringing on DIY landlords.